Hi, so let's talk about the TOEIC reading to class information. So I'm Professor Jeff Buck, and you can see my email and office number. Please call me Professor or Professor Jeff or Professor Buck. And our goals are to work on your English grammar, vocabulary, reading skills, and test taking skills. And this is the book, Taking the TOEIC, Part 2. You will need this to do your homework so that you can prepare for the test, or the tests rather. And this is the breakdown for your grades. Attendance is 10%, participation is 10%, the midterm test is 30%, the final test is 30%, and your homework is 20%. And now let's look at those in more detail. So for attendance, if you have 11 or more absences, that is an automatic F. If you're late or leave early 3 times, that's 1 absence. And each class, or rather, each lesson is 2 hours. So, meaning 2 classes. So if you miss 1 lesson, that's 2 absences. Okay. If you miss 2 lessons, that's 4 absences. Participation, that means have your book, have the worksheet, have a pen or a pencil, listen and speak and write. Speak and write in English as much as possible. No hitting, no sleeping, no playing games on your phone. And for our Zoom lessons, you have to be in a quiet place. You can use your phone, computer, or tablet for academic purposes. For example, to open up the worksheet each week, to use an online dictionary or translation app really quickly, or to do research, but not for games, texting, or making phone calls. The homework will be the book. Which you'll find on the worksheets. So to find the worksheets, you go to eClass, you find your class number. Of course, this will be in Korean for you. You open the lecture contents, and then you go to the next or current week. So for week 1, you'll find the course information, which is this. And a video of me explaining how to use Zoom, and then the Unit 1 worksheet. And for week 2, the Unit 2 worksheet, and so on. And then if you open the worksheet, which you'll need to do, you can either have it on your phone, computer, or tablet during class, or you can print it out, whether we have online or face-to-face lessons. So you'll find the homework here. Each week at the top. And at the bottom, your homework. Okay? The first set of pages will be grammar, and the second set of pages will be reading, and you will need to check your answers to prepare to ask me any questions that you have at the beginning of the next lesson. So in your book, in the back, there's an answer key. Okay? So check your answers. And there's information here about the test. It will be a full TOEIC reading test. 100 questions, 75 points. Grammar, and reading. It will be difficult, so do your homework and come to class. And then there's information here on Zoom. And like I said, I made a separate video about that right here. You can open that and watch it. And we just talked about this. And we're going to be doing units 1 to 6 before the midterm and 7 to 12 before the final. The midterm will take place during lesson 7, or lesson 8 rather, and the final during lesson 15. And right now the plan is to be online, to use Zoom for lessons 1 to 6. And to be on campus face-to-face for lessons 7 to 15. And I think that's everything. So if you have any questions, you can ask me during class or send me a message via eClass or by email. Or if we have face-to-face classes later on, you can come to my office. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.